Hello everybody! Muraho mwese. My name is Dieu, Uwingabiye, your English teacher. Nitwa Dieu, Uwingabiye, mwarimu wanyu w'ururimi rw'icyongereza. Today's lesson is entitled Bored. Uyu munsi isomo ryacu rifite insanganyamatsiko igira iti Bored. Now we are going to upgrade our English vocabulary. Noneho uyu munsi tugiye kuzamura cyo bita amagambo cyangwa vocabulary cyangwa se amagambo akomeye. Uyu munsi insanganyamatsiko yacu ni bored, bisobanuye ngo mfite irungu cyangwa narambiwe. Reka turebere hamwe interuro rusange, general phrases. Iyo ufite irungu uravuga uti I'm dying from boredom. Irungu riranyishe. I hate being bored. Ndabyanga kugira irungu. I don't have anything to do. Simfite icyo gukora. My life is so boring. Ubuzima bwanjye burimo kurambirwa cyane. Life is so boring. Ubuzima burarambiranye. I'm just watching TV until I find something to do. Ubu ndimo ndareba televiziyo kugeza ubwo mbona icyo gukora. I'm just watching TV until I find something to do. I was bored all weekend. Weekend yose nari mfite irungu. I'm so bored today. Uyu munsi mfite irungu ryinshi cyane. I get bored very easily. Ndanyorohera kugira irungu. I get bored all the time. Ngira irungu igihe cyose. A common place to get bored is when you have to visit family members. Ahantu hazwi cyane, ahantu rusange hashobora gutuma ugira irungu iyo ubusabwa cyangwa ubugomba gusura abagize umuryango. Reka turebere hamwe interuro. Let us look at together the sentences. Sentence number 1 is, it's always boring whenever we go to our relatives. It's always boring whenever we go to our relatives. Biba ari irungu ryinshi cyane buri gihe, biba biteye irungu buri gihe, igihe cyose tugiye kureba abavandimwe bacu. Icya kabiri, sentence number 2. It's nice to visit my grandmother. Ni byiza gusura nyogokuru. But it gets boring after a couple of hours. Ariko bigantera irungu ryinshi cyane nyuma y'amasaha makeya. Interuro ikurikiye iravuga ngo my cousins are so boring. All they do is watch TV. Ababyara banye bararambirana cyangwa batera irungu cyane, ibyo bakora gusa ni ukureba televiziyo. There's something to do in the countryside. Hari icyo gukora mu cyaro. I'm always bored there. Buri gihe iyo ndiyo ngira irungu. If you think you're a boring person, niba uziko uri umuntu urambirana, here is a way to say that you are boring. Reka mbabwire uburyo wavuga ko urambirana cyangwa se utera irungu. Uravuga uti I think I'm a little boring. Ndibaza ndambiranamo gake. I am a boring person. Ndi umuntu utera irungu abandi. Boring can be used to describe someone. Boring ishobora gukoreshwa ugaragaza imiterere y'umuntu. Urugero, he's a boring person. Uyu muntu ararambirana. His personality is very boring. Uko ameze uko ateye, uko yitwara birarambirana. It's boring whenever she's around. Haba hari irungu igihe cyose yari hafi. Using bored to answer a question is very common. Ijambo bored cyangwa kugira irungu rirakoreshwa cyane. Urugero, ushobora kubaza umuti, how was your trip? Urugendo rwagenze gute? How was your vacation? Ese ibiruhuko byagenze gute? How was your weekend? Ese weekend yagenze gute? How was the lecture? Ese isomo ryagenze gute? Muri kaminuza bavuga la lecture. Lecture bivuga isomo ryo muri kaminuza. Ryo mu ishuri bisanzwe turavuga ngo how was the class? Mu masomo yagenze ate? Cyangwa mu mikino how was the game? Mwibuka ukuntu nagiye ngaragaza ko birambirana. It's so boring. Any of these types of questions can be answered with a simple answer. Muri bino ndizero ngiye kugusomera kukubwira turareba igisubizo kuri buri jambo twagiye tubona haruguru. Urugero uravuga ngo it was pretty boring. Pretty hari hateye irungu, hari harambiranye cyane. Pretty bivuga cyane. It was boring. Hari irungu. Hari irungu. I didn't do much. Sinakoze byinshi. It wasn't as fun as I thought. Nta byishimo byawe bihari nkuko nabyibwiraga. It was a little boring. Hari harimo irungu rike. I was bored most of the time. Igihe kinini nararambiwe. Because it was disorganized. Kuko ntibyari bitunganije, ntibyari biteguye. We had too much extra time. Twongeyeho ikindi gihe kinini cyane. I was bored during our free time. Nagize irungu muri cya gihe tutari dufite icyo turimo gukora.